how you can edit a PDF on your PC. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is locate a PDF file. So I'm going to use this PDF file right here. And this is a random PDF file. It is a CV that I installed from the web. So now what you'll want to do is right click on this PDF and tap on open with. Now you'll need to open this with Microsoft Word. If you don't find it in this list, just tap on choose another app and scroll down till you find Microsoft Word. Now open it up in Microsoft Word and there you go. Now just tap on enable editing right here, and after some time you'll be able to edit this right here. So after doing this, you'll be able to edit this and save it back again as a PDF. So that is how you edit a PDF, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.